Hi guys, my name is Kelsey Berglund and today I'm going to talk a little bit about folksonomy in information architecture. So first of all, what is folksonomy? Folksonomy is the process of using digital content tags to categorize and annotate. It is known as social tagging, collaborative tagging, social classification, and social bookmarking. Those are just kind of other words to describe what folksonomy is. What it does is it allows the users to classify websites, pictures, documents, so that the content can be categorized and found by the users or people that are searching for it. Very similar to how people use hashtags or keywords to search for things of very similar content. So folksonomy uses a shared vocabulary of descriptive tags. Doing this allows the users to search for items that have things in common. So as I just mentioned, like everything with one similar hashtag will be grouped together with items that also have that hashtag. This could be in any of the following forms, like any of the content, location URL, content shortcuts, categories, types, or class, author, owner, anything that could possibly be an identifiable piece of information. Adding these pieces of data makes the content more viewable to users, and it also creates a more efficient, searchable classification and document type. So how does folksonomy work? It uses those tags and keywords that connect the similar topics, and it allows the users to search for those similar tags to find their desired result. The tags allow users to find what others have uploaded or connects them into groups. So using folksonomy can improve search function on web page or even within the smaller technical communications libraries. So similar to how when I upload this video, I will use folksonomy as a tag, others that are either searching for folksonomy or also have videos that includes the same topic, they will all be grouped together so searchers can easily find all of the videos. So we've talked a little bit about how folksonomy relates to web pages, but how exactly does it relate to information architecture and technical communication? So information architecture is the emphasis on how pieces of information are organized, and folksonomy is the organizational structure that can be used to improve the information architecture of documentation. So that is how they relate to each other. Let's discuss a little bit how it relates to technical communication itself. So similar to how books are arranged in a physical library, there is a need for organization in digital libraries also. So within technical libraries, libraries of technical documentation, folksonomy can also be used to organize the content within those. So the tags known to folksonomy, so like URL, content, type, class, author, or owner, those can be used to group those into special spots. Group those together to with a similar type. So when you need to search for a document title or a document type, you can use those tags to connect those documents. So let's take a look at a real-world example of how folksonomy could be used in a technical communications library. So in example one, we'll just say that a project manager needs to locate all of the documents within the SharePoint library related to software titled ABC. The project manager could easily go into the library and search for ABC, which would be saved as a keyword or a tag within the back end of the library as a folksonomy, and it could easily pull up all of the documents within that library that share that ABC tag. That way the project manager could search for everything and decide which documents it is that they need, but it's all there for their disposal. So to utilize the folksonomy of an author or organization, which is a different type of tag, a document can also be tagged with a department such as engineering, support, finance, whichever the document may belong to. So in example 2, we can discuss how to even make your search smaller and more specific. You can use multiple tags to search. So a chief financial officer of a company could easily look for all the finance documents related to system XYZ by both including multiple tags for finance and XYZ. That way his search is a little bit more specific, whereas in the first example it was everything that had that word in that title, whereas this has finance and XYZ. Most technical libraries contain an expansive amount of documents. Folksonomy and tags that follow this method of organization can result in a fast, easy, and accurate search. My work has about 6,000 technical documents, and by using these tagging methods described in this way, it makes for an easy search for all of our users. And Folksonomy as a whole can increase the usability of the technical library and the documents within them. When it's easy to search in that way and you know exactly what you're looking for, the users have a better experience with the library, and it's less frustrating to find a document when you find it fast and easy. So what we have learned is that folksonomy is a way of organizing information by using tags, classifications, or bookmarks. And using the keywords to organize contents in different groups makes it much easier to search technical communications libraries. Not only is it huge for websites that group information together using hashtags or keywords, it has become more and more influential in technical communications libraries. The ability to search for content by how it is grouped together by those keywords is very useful when you're dealing with large amounts of documents and they're looking for very specific content.